Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And here I'm doing a question, and this question was asked in one of my comments. So the question is, find the smallest number by which 576 must be divided to get a perfect cube. So this 576 is not a perfect cube, so what number we should divide to get a perfect cube? So this can be done by prime factorization method. Let's start doing it. Here we go. So we'll write down the number 576. So 576 is an even number. So we'll take a first prime number 2. So this is 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. So we have a 17. So 2 8s are 16. So again 1 is a remainder. We'll get 16. So 2 8s are 16 again. Then again 2 is an even number, so 288 is an even number, so we'll take a 2 as a prime number. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and then 2 4s are 8. Then again 144 is a even number, so we'll take a 2 as a prime number. Then 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Then 72 is again an even number, so 2 3s are 6, 1 is left, so 12. 2 6s are 12. Now 36 again an even number, so we can take 2 again, 2 as a prime number. So 2 18s are 36. Now again 18 goes in 2 table, 2 9s are. So 2 9s are 18. Then 2 9s are 18. We got 9. 9 is a odd number. It doesn't go in a 2 table. So we'll take a next prime number, which is 3. So 3 3s are 9. And the last, again 3 goes in 3 table. So we can take 3 1s are 3. So this is 3 1s are 3. So we got a 1. So we're going to stop the prime factorization. So from here we can write 576 as, so 576 is equal to, so whatever you got here, just write them down. This is 2 multiplied by, so we got total 6 times 2. So write down whatever you got, the prime factors, and we got 3 2 times. Okay. To find out the perfect cube, you have to form a group of 3 numbers. That is, if you see here, this forms a group of 3. Okay, in one group there should be a 3 factors, same factors. So this is forming a one group. This forms another group, but in the last group you can see only 2 factors are there, that is 3 multiplied by 3. There's one more 3 is not there to make it perfect cube. But the question they're asking is, what number must be divided? So we have to remove a number. So this is forming a perfect group, this is forming a perfect group, but this is not forming a perfect cube. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove these 2 3s, that is factors, then we're going to get a perfect cube. To remove, we should divide it with. So we're going to remove 3 multiplied by 3, which is 9. So we have to divide 9 with this 576 and this to the factors to get a perfect cube. So here we will just divide 576 with 9. I hope you have understood why I've got 9, because we want to remove this 2 3 3s are 9. So you have to divide with the 9. So that is why we're dividing the given number 576 with 9 and all the factors with 9. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 2. I'm writing even 3 here. 3 multiplied by 3, and we're dividing with 9. So whole divided by 9. So we can cancel this 9 and this 2 3s. We can cancel 9 and 576, will get 64. So 64 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, write down 2 3 more times. Here we got. So 64, we know it's a perfect cube, and we got the factors of 64. Now if you want to find out the cube root of 64, So it will be just form a group of 3. This forms one group and this forms another group. From each group take one factor. So from this group I'll take 1 2, and from this group I'll take another 2. So that is 2 2s are, which is 4. So cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. That's it. So just check which number is not forming a factors, which doesn't have a group of 3 factors. You just eliminate them by dividing with the factors and the given number. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions or doubts, you can leave a comment below, and thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe and click on bell icon.